Hello everyone, Jack here. Welcome to Infinite Curiosity. If you're feeling the call to roll out your mat and explore the amazing world of yoga, you are in the right place. We're so excited to be here with you today. We're going to be diving into some top tips and actionable steps that you can take to begin your practice. Whether you're looking to increase your flexibility, find some strength, cultivate some peace, or just feel good in the body you're in, this video is for you. So let's grab our mats, find a comfy spot, and dive right in. Let's start by setting up your yoga space. Find a quiet corner at home or outdoors to enhance your practice. It doesn't have to be fancy, just comfortable and distraction-free. Think about what helps you feel grounded. Add a plant, light a candle, or clear clutter. Create a serene, inviting atmosphere. Your space is about the energy you bring. Make it a sanctuary to connect with your breath, body, and mind. Let's move on to the heart of the practice, the breath. Our breath is a powerful tool guiding us. In yoga, it becomes our anchor and teacher. Pay attention to how your breath flows with each movement. Notice the inhale and exhale, allowing your breath to become a moving meditation. Focusing on our breath brings us into the present moment. Cultivate awareness and stillness beyond the mat. Remember to come back to the breath again and again. Now, let's talk about the poses. For beginners, it's best to start with foundational poses that will gently introduce you to the practice. Don't worry about nailing fancy poses right away. Instead, focus on building a strong foundation with these basics. Poses like mountain pose, downward facing dog, and child's pose are wonderful starting points. They help you connect with your body, improve your balance, and build strength and flexibility. Remember, it's not about how far you can stretch or how perfectly you can hold a pose. It's about listening to your body, honoring your limits, and finding joy in the journey. Now, let's talk about props. Props are your best friends in yoga. They help you access poses comfortably. Blocks, straps, blankets. Use them for support and flexibility. Experiment with props even if you're new. They bring comfort and ease to your practice. Using props shows intelligence and self-love. Listen to your body and give it what it needs. Consistency is key. Practice a few minutes daily rather than a long session weekly. Build strength, flexibility, and a deeper connection to yourself. Patience is just as important. Be kind to yourself and celebrate each step. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of yoga. Remember, it's all about taking those small steps, honoring your body, and finding what feels good. Keep exploring, keep breathing, and most importantly, keep showing up for yourself on your mat. And remember, every time you step onto your mat, you are choosing yourself, and that is a beautiful thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and share this video with a friend who might enjoy it too. What is your favorite yoga pose and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have a great night or day. Until next time.